Here's how to redeem your Star Consultant rewards as a Star Consultant. Go to Mary Kay Intouch and click under Rewards, Star Consultant Program. Then click under Redeem Prizes Now. And this screen will pop up. And it's the Star Consultant Program screen. You can search by credits, different types of items that you want to get. All these are available. If you are interested in other rewards, like you can see here is where they have gift cards, MK Connections vouchers, travel vouchers, things like that. So MK Connections vouchers, it will click right there and let you see those. You can see what's available for that. And then if you also, I love to do this, and I do retailer gift cards. That's some of my favorite things to do. And so I'll do this, and then I'll click and get different gift card, different amounts, and then select that, and then it'll allow me to get all kinds of things. That's how I purchase all kinds of things with my family. Clothes for Lexi. I mean, I've done a variety of things. I'll use the Amazon gift card, whatever I can find. But that's what is available, and that's how you do it.